Understanding, Put Your Faith In, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, put your faith in. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in both speaking and understanding the language. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Put your faith in is an idiomatic expression that means to trust or have confidence in someone or something. It's often used in situations where you rely on someone else or something for support, guidance, or success. For example, if you say, "I put my faith in my teacher," it means you trust your teacher and believe they will guide you correctly. Personal relationships. In personal relationships, saying, "I put my faith in you," is a strong statement of trust. It means you believe in the person's abilities, judgment, or character. Professional scenarios. In a work environment, this phrase can be used to express confidence in a colleague's capabilities or in the success of a project. Spiritual or religious contexts. Put your faith in is also commonly used in spiritual or religious contexts, meaning to trust in a higher power or religious belief. 1. Direct statements. I put my faith in my doctor's expertise. 2. Questions. Should we put our faith in this new strategy? 3. Negative forms. I don't put my faith in rumors. 4. Variations. Similar expressions include have faith in, trust in, or rely on. Don't confuse with literal faith. Remember, this phrase is not always about religious faith. It's often about trust in a general sense. Context matters. Be aware of the context. The meaning can change slightly depending on whether it's used in a personal, professional, or spiritual setting. That's all for today's lesson on Put Your Faith In. Remember, it's all about trust and confidence in someone or something. We hope this video has helped clarify this common English phrase for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to put your faith in your ability to learn and grow in English. See you in the next video.